I am filming this on November 3rd, the day of the general election. So if I sound, look, and feel like I'm losing my fucking mind, it's because I am. Hey Corillo, I'm Nemesis. Welcome back to my channel. So before we jump into this video, let's talk about the song of the week. So as most of you know, Miss Ariana Grande released her 6th studio album, Positions. So I wanted to highlight one of my favorite songs. I think it's my favorite. I don't know yet, but it's definitely in my top 3. It is a song, POV. I feel like it was her most emotionally raw song of the whole album, and I think that's why I loved it so much. If you haven't listened to the album, I definitely recommend you listen to it, and especially that track. Okay, but now that that's out of the way, let's get into this video. With this week being crazy, I wanted to do something nice and chill with you guys, and just do my makeup with you. But I didn't just want to like randomly do my makeup. I wanted to pick a theme, and today's makeup theme, let's call it that, is going to be the new Instagram makeup trend. So if you've been a makeup lover for a while now, you'll know that whenever someone referred to makeup as Instagram makeup, you would picture this or this or this. But I feel like in the past year and a half-ish, we've seen a switch. And now the Instagram makeup is this. And this, and this. And I am such a big fan! Unfortunately for me, my skin decided to not be cute this week. I am breaking out of stress and frustration. But it's fine. It's fine because this makeup is all about embracing your natural skin. Okay, let's get started. Let's just jump into this. Alright, I'm gonna start with primer. So I'm gonna go with this beautiful primer from Neutrogena. This is the Radiant Primer Serum Healthy Skin with Peptides. When it's applied to the skin, it kind of, yes, it feels very nourishing, very moisturizing and hydrating. And it leaves the skin not only glowy, but kind of sticky. So that's good. That's good for a nice base of makeup. Okay, I zoomed you guys in so that you could see like how this primer leaves the skin. You see like that glow? That glow wasn't there, sis. That was the primer. For my base, I'm gonna be using this Kosas Tinted Face Oil. It's my first time using it. So I'm kind of nervous. I got mine in the shade 07. But it's a tinted. Oh my god, that is not my right shade. No empezamos bien. I'm gonna blend it out to see what happens, but I think I'm gonna have to exchange this. I think I can make this work. Hey, it's me editing. I just wanted to let you guys know that I did exchange it. I exchanged it to shade 06 because as you're gonna see for the rest of this video, I'm about to look mad orange. So I'm sorry about that. I mean, I think this looks very beautiful, like, and it gave me a very beautiful glow. Anyways, let's move on to concealer. So for concealer, I'm gonna use an oldie but a goodie, my beautiful NARS Radiant Creamy, because it just looks very natural. And I'm not gonna conceal like crazy. I'm not gonna make triangles. I'm just trying to correct a bit of my darkness, and that is it. Okay, now I'm gonna set this face because even though I want to be glowy, I need to set these under eyes. And I'm gonna be using my classic Hourglass Veil Translucent Setting Powder. I'm just going to strategically set my face, just the areas that I needed the most. So right here under my eyes, and right here on the top of my forehead. I mean on the center of my forehead, the top of my forehead. What am I saying? Okay, let's move on to bronzer. So when I look at these pictures of this specific type of makeup look, they don't bronze up too harshly, you know? So I'm gonna be using one of my most natural looking bronzers, which is this one. This is the Revlon Skin Light in the shade Sun-Kissed Beam. And I'm just gonna pick up a little bit, and instead of brushing it around, I'm gonna be patting it because I want it to look as melted into the skin as possible. So I'm gonna be putting very little, honestly. Okay, I'm gonna move on to blush. I'm gonna be using this one from Flower Beauty. It's their powder blush in the shade Spiced Petal. I went with this one because I want my cheeks to look kind of flushed, but not like bright pink. Okay, let's move on to highlighter, even though I literally do not need it. But I'm gonna still put some on. And I'm going to use a very unique highlighter. This is the Kevyn Aucoin Glass Glow Face. I'm gonna swatch it in my hand first so that you guys understand what this is. Okay, I just put a little bit there, right? And I'm gonna blend it out. Y'all see that shit? That is insane. But honestly, the more you blend it out, the more natural it looks. You see how like you can't even see the pigment anymore? It's just straight up reflection. I'm gonna put like the tiniest baby amount. I'm gonna blend it out with my finger, and then I'm gonna tap it on the high points of my face. Yeah, I'm gonna put some on here, and I'm gonna put on some here on my little nose, and some on this side, obviously. Okay, we're done with complexion. I'm gonna move on to brows. So the most famous brow right now is soap brows. I'm gonna go do the eyebrows off camera because I feel like everybody does. Just so that you guys know, I'm gonna be using the Makeup Revolution soap brow and the CoverGirl Ultra Fine brow pencil to do my eyebrows. I will be right back. You will see the differences. You will see. Okay, we're back and the brows are on. See? You see the difference? You see the difference? I mean, they're like, tan peinaditas así. Now we're gonna jump into eyeshadow. Usually when I see the pictures of this like effortless, beautiful, natural Instagram makeup style, they're usually not wearing eyeshadow, but if they are, what they're wearing is like a little wash of brown with like a little bit of shimmer that when they turn their heads, it looks like their eyelids are just naturally moist. To do that super simple look, I'm gonna be using my Fenty Beauty Snap Shadows. I'm gonna take that little brown right here from the number 7 palette. I'm gonna take this super fluffy brush, and I'm literally just going to do a very, very blended out wash of brown all over my little lid. This color almost looks like the same color of my skin, but that's perfect. That's perfect for this look because we're trying to look natural. We're trying to look like I did indeed wake up like this. I am just perfect naturally, you know. I'm gonna do the same on the other eye. I'll be right back. And now I'm going to blend on top of it this little shimmer shade from the number 1 palette from Fenty Beauty. For that, I'm gonna take a slightly less fluffy brush, but still fluffy because I don't wanna pack it on. I don't want it to look like a whole shimmer. I want it to look like my eyelids are just glowy. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye. You're back. Okay, I'm back. I did it. You're either gonna think this is the most boring fucking makeup video that you've ever seen in your life, or you might be entertained. I don't. Okay, to finish up with the eyeshadows, I'm just gonna pick up a baby little brush like this one. Pick up some of that same brown from the beginning. And just sweep it on my lower lash line. And that's it. That's the eyeshadow look. It's so simple. Oh my god. Alright, so for mascara, I'm gonna go with one of my newest additions from the drugstore. Is this Maybelline The Falsies Lash Lift Mascara. Also, something that I've noticed changing in the Instagram makeup game is that less and less people are wearing false eyelashes. And that makes me feel very seen and welcome. One of the things that got super trendy on Instagram makeup was doing fake freckles, and oh, have I been going in on that trend. Oh girl, I mentioned this product before on my channel. This is, wow, the label already rubbed off, but this is the Lottie London freckle tip. I got this tip from Mariah Leonard here on YouTube, one of my faves. That's my girl. I put it directly on my finger, just like this, and then I tap it on my nose so that they look the most natural as possible, you know. Okay, so right after doing the ones on the nose, I like going around my face and seeing if I want to bring back to life any of my natural moles. I have one right there. I have a little one there, right here. I have a couple over here. I have actual natural freckles over here, but they always get covered up with my base products, so I like to bring them back to life with this thing. And now we're gonna finish everything off with the lips. So every time I see this kind of like makeup style, their lips is usually like a clear lip gloss or like a beautiful perfect nude. I'm gonna line my lips with like what I consider to be my perfect nude lipstick. This one is from LA Girl. I've used it here already. It's their Keep It Spicy Ultimate Intense Auto Liner. I love this thing so much. This color just does it for me, man. Like, I could stay like this or like put a clear lip gloss on top and be happy. But I'm gonna do something else. I'm gonna use this lip gloss from Bite. This is their Yay Plumping Lip Gloss in Cinnamon Twist. This lip gloss looks beautiful with or without a lip liner. I just prefer how it looks with a lip liner for this type of look where I'm supposed to look natural. And that's it. This is the final look. I also took my hair out of the little pan so that you can appreciate this beat, you know. So you can see it's very like glass skin vibes. It's very, you know, like low maintenance. Like you can still see the texture on my skin. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, please consider liking and subscribing. Follow me on Instagram at Mimio6. I don't know what the state of the world is gonna be by the time that you watch this video, but whatever happens, stay strong, stay united, stay woke, and most importantly, have a great rest of your day. Okay, bye.